Hi everybody, I'm King Kitsu, and today we're going to be trying out our new LEVO machine. Today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I set up using the app. Alright, so this infusing machine comes with an app that you can connect it to and control it directly from your phone. So we're going to turn on our machine. We're going to hit connect LEVO. So you want to connect your phone to your LEVO Wi-Fi, but you also want to connect your LEVO machine to your at-home Wi-Fi. As you can see here, we're now connected. Once you're connected, you can create an account. The account gives you access to track your infusion history, create and share recipes, and receive special offers and discounts. You can also customize your LEVO experience, pretty much all from the app. So now that we have everything set up with our account on the app, we can now access our machine from your phone. You can also look up different ingredients and things to fuse with and also shop with them. And then you have your account details where you can track the creations that you have, your recipes, and pretty much save other recipes. We're gonna go to this page where it shows you different herbs that you could pick and different things that you could fuse your herbs with. We're going to select flour and butter. This page will pop up and then it will recommend how long you should infuse your ingredients and also at what temperature. You have some little facts about your ingredients, and then you have featured recipes. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you have community recipes. So today we're going to select LEVO's recipe for flour infused butter. It says the cooking time is 2 hours and 30 minutes. It gives you the ingredients, it gives you infusion preps, and it gives you recipe instructions. And then all the way at the bottom, you can also see other reviews of people who have tried this recipe. To start off, first we're going to have to decarb our herb. We're only doing a small batch. We're going to place our pod in here. And close it. So to decarb our herb, we're going to we're going to go to our app. We're going to go to activate. We're going to put in 45 minutes. And then the temperature is going to be at 240. And as you can see, it's starting to warm up. So we'll come back later. Okay, so now the decarbing is complete. And we're going to push the cycle button. And we're now going to infuse our butter with our herb. So first we're going to place our magnetic stirrer back into the machine. And now we're going to add the melted butter. And using our app, we're going to change the temperature to 175 degrees. And then we're going to keep it at 2 hours. Now let's get it started. Alright, so it's been 2 hours later, and we are now going to push this button and dispense it. Alright, so I went in with a little bit over half a cup of butter, and we ended perfectly at that half-point line. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful for anybody else who just got their brand new LEVO machine.